Hello, in front of me I've got Thrustmaster, eSwap. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to dedicated app. To connect it to dedicated app, make sure that your controller is connected with PC. And next, enter Microsoft Store and download ThrustmapperX. Install the app. And then open it. Now, unplug the controller and connect it again. Your controller is now connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.